What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be going. So we're gonna be going to Solana Beach. We're gonna take the coaster over there, and yeah, hopefully we don't get rolled.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. We just got on a train. Logan, what's up? What are you on your phone?
Don't know. They just sent me a picture of this. Brody got pulled over for not having a helmet on. By Moto.
Yeah. We'll see you guys at the next stop.
Just got the train. About to go in Solana Beach. Don't even know what they're doing. They're sitting down there. Hey! Come on!
Coming up right now. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Yep. We'll get clips. We just got here riding a little bit. The what?
Bitch, I put Katie on my neck and where I go, you stay with me. And if I tell my little bro, school me up that switch and go sit. And every time I get in the gym, ain't trying to talk, I play all day. And I just pop that on some flash and miss a mirror, Louis V. Bitch, I pop them box ALGs, cause I like what they do to me. Yeah, any bitch slick, get on, bitch, I talk, bitch, I walk. 392 just for the charge, so I can't catch this track hawk. By 2 a.m. I'm coming on, by 10 a.m. I wipe the salt. Bitch, I'm super paranoid, watch how you move, I'm quick to toss. Yo, bitch say that I come trim, she like my style and how I play. Smoking Dallas back to back, I'm high as hell, come got me tricked. And I be tired in all this shit, what all these niggas gon' do to me. And I be riding with Drake Swift, see me first, better shoot at me. See me first, better shoot at me. Telling in these rooms, what all these niggas gon' do to me. No shit, shoot at me. Trap, niggas shoot at me.
Got hail.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Let's go. Follow TikTok and it's Rocky332. Follow it right now. Like and subscribe. Logan, oh my god. I'm gonna run into you. Got my bike. Kinda died out. It's so much. Logan's bike, Suicide 3. Camden's got the Area 51 controller on Raz's pieces. Alright, what are we gonna go do now?
We're gonna go pick up Adam because he went all the way to Encinitas.
Bro, just drop the internet. That's why he's mad. We gotta go over there to get the internet. He's not mad at us. Is he crying? No. He just said I don't have internet.
Still have to go pick up Adam, but he's fucking mad at us.
Yeah, and we have to over bags to go pick up someone right here.
I wanted to send me a pin to where he is, bro.
Let's not go get him, man. It's a great show, dog.
Hey, jump. Hey, Rocky, you think if we jump, we'll be good?
No,
We'll be good. Alright, let's go, Rock. Starbucks in Encinitas and Encinitas. Same thing. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go to, where are we going? Oh, Mexican food? Yeah, we're gonna go get some Mexican food. And yeah. Adam Silva left us. Stop, yo, he left us here alone.
We got the Mexican food right now. I'm gonna eat. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Playground. Camden MX5, follow him on Insta. What are we doing next?
I don't know. We just got to Moonlight. We just left. Where did we go? Best Pizza. Yeah. Rocky got Mexican food, and I think we're gonna go to the main village of Encinitas.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I got a beach ball.
We found the beach volleyball.
Took my bike, you fucking faggot. Oh, you should probably bleep that out.
Yeah, say something really bad, I'll bleep it out.
No.
Oh.
I already did last video.
Oh yeah. Go check out, like, it was like part like 10. We just got to the park. We just got to the park and we'll, Camden, what are we doing now?
I'm gonna go throw this in a little pit.
We have like some kid named Sam meeting us in the park. Yeah, he is. Alright, we'll see you guys in a second. What's up, guys? We're just going on the train right now. We're just getting on the train. Cam, do you have anything to say for the day?
What?
Can we charge in the thing?
There's no charging ports.
Put the camera away.
Encinitas and Solana Beach was fun. And Adam left us.
Highly recommend.